One of the important uses of CRM LIght is being able to see into Sage data when not a Sage user. I'm currently logged on to CRM LIght as David Shaw. David Shaw does not have a Sage user account, but I'm perhaps interested in some information from Sage. First thing I need to know is the account I'm looking at. I'm interested in Better Kitchens. Use the search facility to find Better Kitchens and open the account screen. Better Kitchens is a Sage sales account. What I'm seeing on this first screen is the activities. Activities, as we've discussed in earlier videos, are private to CRM LIght. But as soon as I move on to details, some of these fields are greyed out, and the reason for that is they are held in Sage 200. I can't alter them here, but they do update as soon as they're updated in Sage 200. So I know I'm looking at up-to-date information on telephone numbers and on addresses. Likewise, if I move on to contacts, I'm seeing chain symbols indicating these are Sage contacts. It's also emphasised in this column. I'm looking at the Sage contacts, so I know the information is up to date. I can drill into them and see if there's any notes. I can also pick up email addresses here. Projects are a CRM LIght only item, as is analysis, although analysis can be pulled from the Sage sales analysis fields. You can see here Better Kitchens has got 5 analysis codes set up in CRM LIght. The real power comes to look at invoices and orders. If I ask for the invoice list, I'm seeing the full sales ledger history of invoices for Better Kitchens. I'm told at the bottom of the screen there are 67 documents covering 111 products. What I'm looking at is one row per product on an invoice. That may not be very useful if I'm wanting to look at it in invoices rather than in item lines. But in CRM LIght it's very easy to alter the view. If I want to see this in invoices, I just pick up the document number and tell CRM LIght to group by that. Now I'm looking at invoices, each invoice number together with what is on that particular invoice. Where the power of CRM LIght comes to the fore is if I'm not interested in looking at invoices, but I'm looking at how often this particular sales account buys particular products. I can pick up the item code and group by that instead. And what I'm now seeing is a list of products together with the dates historically when this customer bought those products. This sort of flexibility gives much wider use for non-Sage users, makes CRM LIght very powerful indeed to spread throughout the organisation without the need for Sage user licenses.